Hello everybody, tis the season to do the bearings on the bicycle. We're gonna do a test run tomorrow, but I bought some paint stripper. I'm thinking about going raw on the frame. I already removed the bearings, the big bearings, and they were the easy ones to remove. These ones are a lot more difficult because they've got two next to each other. So we are going to use the wrong tools to get the job done, but hopefully the job will get done in the end. This is pretty much a tutorial of what not to do while removing your bicycle bearings, but I'm really hoping that it'll work. First, let us concentrate on removing thy bearings. Ooh, there we go, she's coming, boys. Alright, so we've got a number of specialty tools here, including a crock and a sledgehammer and a screwdriver. Bam! Other bearing out. Dad, can you come help me real quick? Did it work? Welcome to the backyard, day 3 of the whole project and day 2 paint stripping. I'm going to try and get most of it stripped today. So I guess let's get to it.
Everyone is waiting for the call. Oh, I have so much, don't face it up. I could not want for more. All I want.
As you can see, most of it came off, but the annoying reality of paint stripping is that it never always all comes off. So probably gonna have to hit this with a second and third coat. Go take these for a second wash. See how they turn out.
juice box. Junkie juice box.
Let's go.
Mother lover, you gon' love this. Graduated from a rebel to a revolutionary in my area, they love this. I'm a record like I'm repping it.
Yeah. Alright, so we're back, everybody. We're here at Nico's house and home. He's got this ramp, a little kicker, and then a few other rails and stuff, and other ramps. So we're just gonna get some warm-up clips, and then we'll just start doing some things. Alright, you beautiful humans, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Certainly was a lot of work, this one was, but I hope you enjoyed the lot of work and effort being put into it, and I hope you enjoy my raw bike. Yeah, leave your comments about it in the comment section down below. Smash like, because then it gives us more recommended pages, and subscribe if you're not. Why are you not subscribed? Subscribe. It's free. So yeah, we will see you in the next one. Have a good day/night. Yeah.
Perfect.
Choose your fighter.
Fight.